Narendra Modi welcomed President Obama to India's 66-year-old public tribute to its constitution. The two leaders watched the parade through rain-soaked protective
Mukherjee and His Excellency François Hollande, the President of the French Republic, being greeted very warmly by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, arriving at Rajpath for our 67th Republic Day parade. Being presented to the Defence Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, the three service chiefs, General Daljeet Singh, Admiral R.K. Dhawan and Air Chief Marshal Arup Laha. And of course we have a very large French delegation here today also to view the parade.
The President is surely one of the most significant highlights of His Highness's 3-day visit to India. The Gulf nation is among the top investors in India in terms of foreign direct investment and has a vibrant Indian community with 2.6 million Indians forming the largest expatriate group in the UAE. President Pranab Mukherjee waving to the crowds. We can see first glimpses of him and the chief guest. President Pranab Mukherjee and His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan being received and welcomed.
Ladies and gentlemen.
और इधर राष्ट्रपति भवन के ये दृश्य जहां से माननीय राष्ट्रपति कोविंद अब कुछ ही समय में प्रस्थान करेंगे सलामी मंच की ओर.
A stupendous shot of Rashtrapati Bhavan, its sandstone edifice beautifully offset by the bright orange-red hues of the gravel. It's from here that the President is now about to leave for Rajpath. He'll be driven in state, escorted by the President's bodyguard in what is a brilliant and spectacular ceremonial. The President will now be escorted to his car.
As President Ramnath Kovind leaves the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan to arrive here at the saluting base, it's important to remember that today is memorable on account of the unprecedented presence of the 10 ASEAN leaders who will be amidst us today as the chief guests to honor the day. And our first chief guest, His Excellency Dr. Thongloun Sisoulith, the Prime Minister of the Lao People's Democratic Republic. India and Lao PDR have enjoyed ancient ties of close friendship and cooperation. In fact, post the establishment of official diplomatic relations in 1956, the two nations have grown closer in every sphere, with bilateral and trade relations steadily increasing. In fact, 2017 was a significant year for ASEAN and ASEAN-India relations. While ASEAN celebrated 50 years of its existence, we celebrated 25 years of the ASEAN-India dialogue partnership. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, waiting the arrival of our other esteemed chief guests. And this is the arrival at the saluting base of our second chief guest, His Excellency Nguyen Xuan Phuc, Prime Minister of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. India and Vietnam celebrated 2017 as the Year of Friendship, commemorating the 45th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations and the 10th anniversary of their strategic partnership. In fact, it's a very, very proud moment because Prime Minister Phuc hosted Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his historic official visit to Vietnam in September 2016.
देश का 69वां गणतंत्र दिवस अविस्मरणीय ऐतिहासिक अवसर, जब 10 आसियान देशों के राष्ट्राध्यक्ष हमारे इस राष्ट्रीय पर्व का हिस्सा बन रहे हैं। जन जन में उल्लास, उमंग सबके चेहरों पर स्पष्ट पढ़ा जा सकता है। हमारी तीसरी सम्मानित अतिथि म्यांमार की स्टेट काउंसिलर आंग सान सू की का आगमन हो रहा है। सलामी मंच पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी द्वारा उनका स्वागत। 1991 में महामहिम आंग सान सू की को प्रतिष्ठित नोबेल शांति पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया था। तीनों सेनाओं के प्रमुख, रक्षा मंत्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण, रक्षा राज्य मंत्री डॉक्टर सुभाष रामराव भामरे, विशिष्ट अतिथिगणों का स्वागत करते हुए भारतीय राष्ट्र राज्य के क्षितिज पर सुनहरे कल की लालिमा के साथ एक नए सूर्योदय का परिचायक हमारा गणतंत्र दिवस। विशिष्ट अतिथि दीर्घा। देश के गणतंत्र दिवस के चौथे सम्मानित अतिथि थाईलैंड अधिराज्य के प्रधानमंत्री महामहिम जनरल प्रायुत चान-ओ-चा का आगमन हो चुका है। आप राष्ट्रीय शांति और व्यवस्था परिषद के प्रमुख भी हैं और थाईलैंड में इनकी देखरेख में पिछले वर्षों में शांति और समृद्धि के नए अध्याय लिखे जा चुके हैं।
Our fifth chief guest, His Excellency Dato Sri Mohammed Najib bin Tun Abdul Razak, the Prime Minister of Malaysia, alighting from his car. Prior to being the Prime Minister, His Excellency was appointed as the Minister of Culture, Youth and Sports and has since held portfolios of Defence, Education and Finance. Warm greetings there by the Prime Minister.
और इधर रायसीना पहाड़ी से सलामी मंच की ओर बढ़ता हुआ राष्ट्रपति का काफिला।
Our sixth chief guest, His Excellency Lee Hsien Loong, Prime Minister of the Republic of Singapore, being greeted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India-Singapore ties have strategic, political, economic and cultural dimensions. The President of India, the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, now being escorted in state towards Rajpath.
कंबोडिया साम्राज्य के प्रधानमंत्री महामहिम समदेक तेचो हुन सेन का आगमन हो रहा है। महामहिम हुन सेन 1985 से सत्ता में हैं और संसार में सबसे लंबी अवधि तक प्रधानमंत्री बने रहने वालों में से एक हैं। प्रधानमंत्री महामहिम समदेक तेचो हुन सेन। में आपके अमूल्य कार्यों के लिए विश्व शांति अकादमी के द्वारा आपको विश्व शांति पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया है। भारत और कंबोडिया के बीच वर्षों पुरानी दोस्ती है। हमारे अगले सम्मानित अतिथि फिलीपींस गणराज्य के राष्ट्रपति महामहिम श्री रोड्रिगो रोआ दुतेर्ते। उनकी अगवानी की प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने। भारत और फिलीपींस के द्विपक्षीय संबंधों में पिछले कुछ वर्षों में गुणात्मक बदलाव आए हैं। फिलीपींस गणराज्य के राष्ट्रपति महामहिम श्री रोड्रिगो रोआ दुतेर्ते।
And here, at the saluting base at Rajpath, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi welcoming our 10 very special invitees, the heads of the ASEAN states, and everybody now welcoming our 9th chief guest, His Excellency Joko Widodo, the President of the Republic of Indonesia. In fact, the state visit of President Joko Widodo to India in December 2016 re-energized the overall bilateral cooperation agenda and elevated our strategic engagement that spans across defense, security, investments, education, capacity building, and renewed cultural bonding. The ASEAN-India partnership focuses on peace, progress, and shared prosperity for the people of the region. Together, ASEAN and India have contributed to regional growth and stability. And in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reaffirmed India's desire to deepen this engagement by stating that the India-ASEAN partnership may scale new heights and constitute a defining partnership of our times. And now, arriving at the saluting days, our 10th chief guest, His Majesty, the Prime Minister of Brunei Darussalam, Sultan Haji Hassan Al Bolkiah, greeted warmly by Prime Minister Modi. This year, President Ramnath Kovind will for the first time take the salute at the parade. In fact, with a long and enriching career in governance and public life, he continues a tradition of illustrious leadership.
And this is the cockade of the Honorable President of India and the chief guest, the President of South Africa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Ramnath Kovind, the President of India, accompanied by
the Honorable President Shri Ramnath Kovind, the 14th President of India, being greeted warmly by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, as we celebrate the day India became a republic in 1950.
Followed by the Minister of State and Defense, Dr. Subhash Bamre, and the three service chiefs, the Chief of Army Staff, General Bipin Rawat,
Introductions to the three service chiefs, Army Chief General Bipin Rawat, Navy Chief Admiral Sunil Lamba, and the Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanwa.
The President of the Republic of South Africa and the Supreme Commander of the South African National Defence Force. His Excellency Cyril Ramaphosa
Amnath Kovind and our chief guest, His Excellency Mr. Jair Bolsonaro, the President of Brazil, arriving for the Republic Day parade at Rajpath. Being received by Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi.
the President of India and the state guest being received by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
And they'll now be presented to Mr. Rajnath Singh, Raksha Mantri, the Raksha Rajya Mantri, Shripad Nayak,
Chief of Defence Staff and
General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Defence Staff, General Manoj Mukund Naravane, Chief of Army Staff, Admiral Karambir Singh, Chief of Naval Staff, Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria, Chief of Air Staff, and Defence Secretary Dr. Ajay Kumar.
As the 38th President of Brazil. In 1977, he graduated from the prestigious Military Academy of Al-Sisi, the President of the Arab Republic of Egypt, have arrived.
An arrival at the saluting base of the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu. And along with her, the honoured guest for today's Republic Day celebrations, His Excellency Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, the President of the Arab Republic of Egypt. And we warmly welcome them.
74वें गणतंत्र दिवस के मुख्य अतिथि मिस्र के राष्ट्रपति महामहिम अब्दुल फतेह अल सीसी का परिचय इस समय सलामी मंच के सामने मौजूद तीनों सेना प्रमुखों और विशिष्ट अतिथिगणों से कराया जा रहा है। रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह, रक्षा राज्य मंत्री,
the President's bodyguard, Commandant Colonel Amit Birwal, and the President acknowledging the greetings of the spectators who are seated on either side of Kartavya Path. A nation proud to be led by a woman president.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Honourable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, and the Chief Guest, His Excellency.
Once again, as President Draupadi Murmu and President Macron will arrive at the saluting base, they will be received by the Prime Minister.
It's a great honour to have His Excellency
and then introduced to the other guests who are here before she makes her way to the saluting base and her special seat.
We warmly welcome our Honourable Chief Guest. India and France are long-standing strategic partners in Indo-Pacific.
President Macron and President Murmu using the traditional Indian greeting, Namaste, with folded hands, which has now become a global greeting. The atmosphere warming up here as the mist and fog slowly lift to reveal the radiant faces, the joyous crowds that have assembled here. Prime Minister Modi greeting President Murmu and of course his friend, the President of France, Emmanuel Macron. A warm embrace and a handshake, an exchange of words.
So extending a warm welcome. The Republic of India extends a very, very warm welcome to the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, our chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day celebrations, arriving here along with the President of India.
गणतंत्र दिवस समारोहों पर ये विशेष अवसर देश की माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का आगमन और उनके साथ हमारे मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो.
India and Indonesia, two nations that share millennia-old cultural and trade links with shared religious traditions of Buddhism and Hinduism, and a strong treaty of friendship and strategic partnerships. In fact, India and Indonesia's multifaceted partnership stands as a cornerstone of regional security, economic growth, and cultural diplomacy, with both nations well positioned to enhance their global outreach. A beautiful day in the capital,